everybody. I hope everyone's having a good day and a good weekend so far. And welcome to my channel, guys. Sorry about the fan. I gotta have it on so my fire alarm won't go off in the house. But anyways, I am making some hash for breakfast today for me and my boyfriend. It's just gonna be an easy Sunday, just eating around the house. I'm gonna watch some movies today. I'm making some Spam hash. Right here, Spam, guys. Yep, making that today for our breakfast. Just woke up a little bit ago. Very simple. I got some mushrooms. Of course, I got the Spam. I got onions. I have a little bit of lobster that I had left from my poke bowls. I forgot to film those. I got some of these Chinese watercress. I love those. Those are good for a snack too. I love those things, of course, and some onions. Just to get rid of some of this stuff before we go back to the store at the end of the week. So yeah, I'm just making some Spam hash, guys. Something different. So yeah, making some Spam. If you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment. Remember to hit that notification bell. If you don't, you never know when I upload. Thanks for watching and have a good day, guys.